I'm Matt Simmons, founder, CEO, and managing partner here at SCG. If you're here, you're likely one of two people. You're either exploring a career with a serious investment platform, or you're considering investing alongside disciplined operators. Either way, you're in the right place. SCG is a vertically integrated alternative investment platform focused on real assets, private credit, and opportunistic strategies across market cycles. We are not trend-driven. We do not chase headlines. We build long-term enterprise value. You may know us by our original platform, Sim Capital. Sim Capital was the foundation. It was built around cash flow and real estate, vertical integration, and disciplined underwriting. Over time, as our strategy expanded, as our operator network deepened, and as our capital relationships matured, it became clear we were building something larger than a single real estate fund. We were building a multi-strategy investment platform. SCG is the evolution of that vision, a broader alternative asset structure designed to allocate capital across asset classes, across cycles, and across opportunities with institutional discipline. This is not a pivot, it's a maturation. Our leadership team brings over 95 years of combined business experience. That experience spans real estate, manufacturing, private equity, operations, and capital markets. We have scaled companies, we have exited companies, we have navigated the 2008 financial crisis, rising rate cycles, liquidity contractions, and expansionary cycles. And through every cycle, one principle has remained constant: disciplined capital allocation wins. We have owned and operated hundreds of millions in real assets. We understand the GP-LP structures. We understand operator risk, and we understand investor responsibility. Protecting capital and compounding capital are two very different skills. We focus relentlessly on both. If you're considering working with us, understand this: we do not hire employees, we build operators. This is the performance-driven culture built on ownership thinking. We value discipline, we value accountability, we value long-term thinking over short-term noise. If you want to build something meaningful, if you want to operate at an institutional level while maintaining entrepreneurial agility, this is the environment for you. If you're here as an investor, alignment matters. We invest alongside our partners. We prioritize cash flow, structure for downside awareness and protection, and we focus on intelligent growth. Our objective is not to raise the most capital, it's to deploy capital responsibly and build enduring value. SCG is built to stand the test of time, a multi-strategy platform designed to scale across cycles without compromising discipline. If you're seeking long-term partnership or long-term opportunity, we invite you to explore further. This is just the beginning. Welcome to SCG, built for a new era of wealth creation.